Hi, it's David with Precision Zone. Today we're going to be talking about the Yaskawa CACR-HR AB and BB series servo packs and how to static check them. Before performing any of these tests, you want to make sure that the drive has been fully powered off and disconnected from the machine. Once you have it on your bench, you want to verify also that the DC bus has been fully discharged, as that can cause a bit of a shock. So you want to switch your digital multimeter to the DC test function, DC voltage check, and you're just going to simply measure across the DC bus. Here we're getting under a volt, so that is fine, and you should not have any worries. Before performing any other check, you also want to do a quick visual check of the drive. You want to make sure none of the components are damaged. You want to make sure that all your connectors are properly connected and that the drive is in a clean condition. You also want to verify that the fan in the back is can properly turn, and that there is no junk inside the drive, so that your drive is properly being cooled. So now to do the static check, you want to switch your digital multimeter to the diode test function. You're going to get the positive side of the digital multimeter and connect that to the negative side of the DC bus, and you're simply going to check across your inputs at RS and T, and you should be getting about 0.45 volts. Then you can check your outputs at UVW, and you should be getting about 0.35 volts, and that's normal. Now you're going to want to switch your leads. You're going to put the positive side, the negative side of the digital multimeter to the positive side of the DC bus, and you're going to check RS and T. It is using thyristor control, so you are not going to see anything here, and you should not get any connection. If it is shorted, then you do have a problem on the input side. Then you're going to check your outputs at UVW, which you should get about 0.35 volts. Now you're going to want to switch to the resistance check function and measure the resistance across Y3 and Y4. This is going to be your regen resistor. You should be getting, for this drive, you're going to be getting 25 ohms, but depending on the capacity of the drive, you can have a different resistance, so please keep that in mind. For a thorough diagnosis of these drives, please contact Precision Zone for a free assessment. Our team of professional technicians recondition and test these drives in custom-built simulators and machines, along with providing a 12-month warranty for all repairs, exchanges, and sales.